Hey guys! Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is I'm going to unwrap some clothes that I ordered from Shein. So this is the package, guys. Dumating siya yesterday. And by the way, I'm not sure if I spell it correctly. Shein, correct me if I'm wrong. So, this is it guys. I ordered 4 items. And I think sinisend naman nila lahat. So, let's check. And, anyway guys, as you can see, meron siyang butas dito. I think sa custom ito, chine-check nila kung ano yung laman. So, kaya ganito siya. So, let's just open it. So, ito na siya guys. So, I'm gonna try all of these and ipapakita ko sa inyo as well. So, i-open lang natin isa-isa. So, unahin natin itong white. Open lang natin. Excited ako, guys. Mostly, ano siya, tatlo yung top na in-order ko and then 1 mini skirt. So, this is a white top. Sana kasya siya sa akin. The size is small. Crop top siya, guys. Ayan. Napakaganda ng print. Paris. Oh my God, I think kasya sa akin. Yan. So, itatry ko siya, guys. So, next tayo. Ito guys. Ayan, napakaganda ng bag nila. And meron siyang Shein na name dito. At nakita ko pala itong brand na to. Kasi dahil kay Charm Mix, if you know her, I'm gonna put her channel here. So, thank you so much, madam. Pinapanood ko kasi yung vlog niya. Napakaganda ng mga tops niya doon. So, nag-install ako ng app. This is from Hong Kong, guys. And yung app, ano siya, meron siyang New Zealand, Australian yung price. Pero, yung packet niya is from Hong Kong. You can also check their website. I'm gonna put their website link sa description box ko. And also, you can install their app. And marami silang mga magagandang dresses doon, mga bikinis, tops. So, since marami na akong dress at kaunti lang yung mga tops ko, guys. So, nag-order ako na some of the tops, guys. So, ito na. I-open na natin yung pangalawa. Ay! I remember this! Nag-order kasi ako ng another off-shoulder na black, guys. Ito, off-shoulder din to. I bought this from Cotton On. And this one, another. Very sexy niya, guys. Ayan. And very elegant. Napakaganda. Ayan din, siya, long sleeve. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So, I'm just gonna try this. I think we're close enough. Could I liken your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna liken your love. I think we're close enough. Let's proceed to the third one. I really love the quality, guys. Napakaganda ng quality ng mga clothes nila. Hindi cheap na quality. Very good quality. Oh my God! This is the mini skirt. Ano siya, guys? Fake leather lang ha. Hindi siya original na leather. Fake leather na mini skirt. I hope na makasya siya sa akin talaga. So, yung size niya is size extra small. Ayan. And then, high waist siya, guys. Ito siya. Napaka-sexy. Ayan. Ayaw ko lang yung smell niya. Pangit yung smell. Pero pag lalabhan mo to, basta ganito, guys, it's either leather or fake leather. Hindi mo talaga siya lalabhan na ganyan or sa washing kasi masisira siya. I-ano mo lang siya ng water. Ilagay mo lang siya sa water and then sabon din. Hayaan mo lang doon na basta, hayaan mo lang doon yung, yung leather, yung fake leather. And then, ganyan mo lang after. Wag mo talaga siyang i-ganyan-ganyan, guys, kasi masisira yung leather niya. Yung mga sizes pala, guys, is iba-iba siya. Merong extra small, small, kasi depende siya sa style, sa cloth, sa design. Merong tops dito na medyo malaki yung small, so kaya extra small yung
in-order ko. So, nagmi-measure talaga ako sa katawan ko, guys. And nagbabasa din ako ng mga comments. So, ito, extra small yung in-order ko. Kasi, nagbabasa ako ng comment na yung small medyo malaki. So, kaya, extra small yung in-order ko. So, itatry ko lang siya, guys.
You enchant me, even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
So, let's proceed to the next one. Guys, na-notice ko na meron akong 5 items dito. Pero, sa receipt ko, 4 lang yung in-order ko. Hindi ako sure kung bakit 5 yung na-receive ko, guys. So, but we'll see. Tingnan natin. Ayan, so, open natin ito. Wow! This is my another crop top na napaka-sexy. Another black. Ayan, guys. Yan yung black na crop top. Napaka-sexy niya, guys. And then, adjustable siya dito. Ayan, pwede mo siyang ma-adjust. And the size is small. Small siya, guys. Ayan, napakaganda.
In your touch, feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing ya.
So, ito yung pang-last. I think naalala ko na ito, guys. Another top, another black top siya, guys. Pero yung weird lang, kasi 4 lang yung pinakita nila sa akin sa receipt. So, open lang natin. Gusto ko talaga itong mga bags nila. Ang cute. Reusable siya, guys. Ayan, napaka-sexy. Ayan, guys. So, ito siya. Another black top. And meron siyang butas, na malaking butas dito. Na makikita yung cleavage, no? Parang may cleavage. Wala naman. So, ito siya, guys. And crop top. And then, ito is parang ribbon-ribbon na yan. So, isusuot ko lang siya para makita nyo talaga yung design.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby?
So, ayan na, guys. Natapos ko na matry lahat. So, hindi na lang ako nag-change ng top, no? So, meron akong favorite. So, 3 yung favorite ko, guys. First, itong white. Gustong-gusto ko ang white. Ayan, kasyang-kasya na siya sa akin. And itong very sexy na black crop top. Kasyang-kasya din siya sa akin, guys. Ito siya. Ayan, so ito yung one of my favorite. And then, yung pang-third is itong sinuot ko. Yung off-shoulder na black. Diba, excited ako, guys. Excited ako noon. Pero medyo malaki siya dito sa arm ko. Liit kasi ng arm ko, guys. Siguro magkasya yun pag tataba ako. Yeah, a bit disappointed, but ipapa-adjust ko na lang siya sa kakilala ko. And then yung miniskirt din, medyo loose siya kaunti. Medyo malaki kaunti sa waistline. Ayan, nag-measure naman ako sa waistline ko, pero I don't know bakit medyo loose siya. Pero kasya lang naman siya, guys. Sakto lang siya. Siguro, if busog ako, kasyang-kasya lang siya. Overall review, guys, I am very happy and satisfied sa in-order ko. Their quality is really great. Napakaganda ng quality ng mga damit nila. And yung size is, fit siya sa original size kung ano yung mga sizes nyo, guys. Kasi ito, yung mga top ko is small siya, guys. Small. Pero yung off-shoulder lang talaga is extra small yung in-order ko kasi medyo loose siya. Garterized kasi siya. So, medyo malaki na nga siya o kahit extra small yung in-order ko. So, just measure lang sa katawan niyo yung mga body measurement nyo. So, yan lang yung tips. Hindi siya western size, Asian size siya. Because example lang ha, ako, if western size, size extra small or extra small. But if Asian size, small ako, guys. Kaya small yung in-order ko. And in terms of prices, very affordable price lang siya, guys. And I'm gonna show you yung app niya para if you're interested, you can install the app. Ito siya, guys. Ayan. So, meron akong, ito yung mga shopping app ko. Ayan. Amazon, AliExpress, and Shein. Ayan. Yan yung guys. Yan yung logo ha. And free lang siya to install. Free lang siya, guys. And unfortunately, hindi siya free shipping, guys. Meron siyang shipping fee na 12.95 New Zealand dollars. Ilalagay ko yung conversion sa pesos dyan. And kaya marami akong in-order na lang. 5 na lang yung in-order ko para yung shipping, hindi ako lugi sa shipping. Kasi pag isa lang yung i-order mo, parang lugi ka, diba? So, order ka na lang ng marami para maisa yung shipping. So, that's all my vlog for today, guys. But before I end this video, shout out ako sa mga ka-team ko. Team Sabris and Alliance team namin, Team Bayot Squad. Shout out sa inyo, guys. And that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give me like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.